or welcome back to my channel Dazzling Pooh, and I'm Poonam. So in today's video I'm going to share this look, and this is a teenager look, and I have also mentioned the makeup kit for teenager, and this look it created with that kit. So this is a double video using the makeup kit for teenager. I have created this look specially for you, and creation of this look is very easy. You will get to know by the end of this video, so stay connected till the end of this video. And I have mentioned all the affordable products in this makeup kits because this is specially for teenagers. So I have also mentioned the options of most of the products, so it will be so helpful to choose according to you and according to your budget. So just move on to video and look how I have created this look specially for you in this summer season. So just apply to the video. Ching. Hey, for starting this teenage makeup look, I'm using rose water as my toner. Yes, you can use your rose water as your toner. And for moisturizing my lips, I'm using this lip balm from Purple. And for moisturizing my face, I'm giving you three options. You can choose one. One is aloe vera gel, second is watermelon gel from Good Vibes, and the third one is a peach milk cream from Lakme. So for this look right now, I'm using that cream, and this is so soft and so shiny. And yeah, this is a sunscreen from Biotech, and this is a must in summer. So now it's summer, that's why I'm using this sunscreen. So after applying any of your favorite sunscreen, you need to wait for 2 minutes at least, and you can choose any sunscreen of your choice. So after that, I'm using primer. This is a primer from NYB, and second one you can also use as primer your aloe vera gel, and both are so affordable, believe me. So right now I'm using this NYB's primer, and this fragrance is so bad, and I have a habit to smell every product. And you are a teenager, so I will not recommend to use any foundation, but you can use any concealer so that you can hide your some blemishes or black spots if you have. And if you don't have any kind of these spots, then I will suggest you to skip this step also. So I'm using Wet n Wild's concealer here. I have also show you the NYB's concealer. You can choose any of one of your favorite. And for blending, you can get these type of pack for blender in any general store in very cheap prices, and the quality of these blenders are really good. You can see I'm blending it with this blender, and you can also use your finger for blending your concealer properly. Just take 2 minutes patiently and just blend it properly so that your base will be look flawless. And for setting all this concealer and to give you a even tone, you can use compact any of these types. So one is from Lakme and the another one is from Purple. So they will give you coverage from sun also, and will also give you even skin tone because you are using only concealer. So yeah, you need not to do it with your brush. I'm also using this inbuilt and this puff from this powder. So one side I have used brush and other side this, and you can see it's equal. And you can also choose any kind of these small palette which have any brown shades and light shades, so you can fill your eyebrows. And if you want to do your contouring, then you can also do with that. But I'm using here Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil because it will be easy for you. So now I'm using this kajal from Maybelline Colossal, and other one is from Stake Virkees. So right now I'm using here Stake Virkees because both kajal are equally affordable, but you can choose any kajal of your choice, but these are both affordable and also smudge proof. So now I'm using this liner from Lakme, and this is really affordable, and also its application is very easy for you. So you can see how easily I have draw my liner. So I will give it a touch of a very small wing. So now it's turn of mascara, and I have 4 choices for mascara. One is from Maybelline, another one is this is from Lakme, and other one is from Wet n Wild. This is my favorite current. And other one is also, it is from a general store. It is a local brand, but this is equally beautiful. So I'm using one of them, and I'm using Wet n Wild in this look. And before that I have curled my lashes also, so that my mascara will look beautiful. So you can choose this makeup in your everyday look, of course, because this is simple and elegant. So now I have 2-3 choices in lipstick. This one is a nude pink lipstick from NYB, and this is super affordable. And another one is from Fashion Color. This is also affordable. If you need any dark color, so you can use this dark pink color. And the third one is from Lakme. This is a little bit costly, but you can go for it because its color is so nice. And the shade name is Crimson Q, and this is really a light red shade, or you can say pink. This is a mixture of both colors, and I'm using the same lipstick as my blush. I'm done with my almost look, and I'm also using it over my nose so that it will look cute. So yeah, and after that I'm using this white shimmery shade as my highlighter. So I'm using this color on my highlighting point of my face. You can skip it, or if you want you can do it. And highlighting is always a must according to me, because I like always highlighting on my cheeks. So yeah, done. This is a simple, and you can turn this makeup into glam with the help of this Swiss Beauty's mini eyeshadow. And this is so affordable. That's why I have also included this eyeshadow in this look, and application of this eyeshadow is really very beautiful. This is a glittery one. If you want to make your makeup a little bit of glam, and you want to go for in a party, then just apply this eyeshadow and you are ready. So yeah, this is my look completed here, and you can choose any hairstyle of your choice. I'm not very good in hairstyle, so yeah, I'm done with this. Hope you like this. So I hope you loved watching my this teenage makeup look using a makeup kit for teenagers especially. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe my channel so that we can stay for long together. And now we'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, and of course take care.